Now I call on Center for Environmental and Management Studies.
Thank you, Mr. Vice President. I'm here to raise the voice of the leader of over 50 million Mohajirs, Mr. Altaf Hussain, who has for over 2 decades been in self-exile in the United Kingdom for fear of his life. Many state-led operations have been carried out to silence Mr. Hussain, in which till date over 20,000 Mohajirs have been butchered by Pakistani forces, predominantly from Karachi. Mr. Hussain's freedom of speech has been taken away by the state of Pakistan, silencing one of the main secular people in today's age. The only crime Mr. Hussain has committed is to criticize the government's heavy-handedness against the Mohajirs, the people of Baloch and other oppressed ethnic groups throughout Pakistan. I would like to request all the nations who are listening today to seek only one answer from the Pakistani delegation as to what is their fear for not allowing Mr. Altaf Hussain to express his fundamental rights. Thank you, Mr. Vice President.
Thank you.